Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is a stamp set we're going to be using today. It's called Jingle Jingle Jingle. We've used it before and this time we're going to use just the outline of the three images, but it's a lovely stamp set. And let me show you the card. Made a similar card to this in my online card club that I host on my Facebook group, and you can find the details for that in the description box below. I've also done a card recently on my blog here that's similar but not exactly the same, and I wanted to show you how versatile this set is. So let's get stamping. Everything's set up in my Stamparatus. Now I'm trying to decide whether I'm going to use Evening Evergreen or Cherry Cobbler. I think I'm going to use Cherry Cobbler because I like something that's bright and vibrant. So just stamp up our stamps, ink them up rather, and then down on our nice Stamparatus. There we go. Just make sure everything is properly inked up. I'm just going to ink up one more time just to make sure. There we go. That's lovely. Didn't give it a good press down everywhere, which I have done now. Lovely. So there we go. So close that up. Take this out of our Stamparatus and we can put our magnets back and then set that aside. And set this aside and bring in our trimmer. Oopsie daisy. Okay. And this is our background piece of designer series paper, and this is part of the Lights Aglow package, and we're going to cut each piece down to measure 10 centimeters wide by 4.6 centimeters long. So this is 4.6 here, and then another one at 4.6, 5, 6, and this makes our little panels, and another one at is there already. So there we go. Those are those three done. Now we're going to cut down our whatchamacallits, our phrases, our sentiments here. And I'm just going to do this by eye. Very much tends to be the way I do a lot of things. It's just by eye. So I've smudged the jolly, so I'm going to have to restamp that quickly. So there we've got Jingle and Believe. I'm going to restamp my jolly and cut it out, and I'll be back. Okay, I restamped the jolly and then I finished cutting them out and I've matted it onto a piece of Cherry Cobbler cardstock. So we're ready to sort out our card. So we're going to stick these down now on our card. And the measurements should mean that everything is fairly equal. So let's hope that's correct. Yeah, equal enough, I think. Not perfect, but equal enough. So now we can pop these on dimensionals and stick these down. So you can use as many or as few as you want. I might normally use a few more, but I want to get the video done as well. So 3 it shall be on each one, and we shall go for it. And let's put this jolly back up here. And I'm going to have to leave here. And the last one is Jingle. So get rid of those backings. And then we've got Jingle in the middle there. Escape backing. So that's what we have so far. Doesn't think it looks that bad. What do you think? A little bit of extra finishing touches. I have these textural elements. Yeah, that's what they're called, textural elements. And I'm going to ink it up with my sponge daubers with some red. Now, this has still got some red on it, I think. It looks like it. So we're just going to ink up just the berry bits. Well, that's what we're aiming for anyway. If you get others, it's not the end of the world. I think I'm going to need a little bit more ink this time. Just a bit. Just like that. So that's going to be one. And then one more. That's fine. And I just got this little carry case online somewhere that I keep them in. Okay, to close up that ink pad, then what I'm going to do is actually stick these down first. I'm going to use, you can use Tombow, you can use some glue dots, whatever you want. I'm going to use some Tombow, and I'm just putting a little bit on the back, not much at all. And I'm just going to lay that in where I want it, and it will take, just leave it there to dry, and it will dry and hold it. Tombow is quite strong once it dries. So tuck this in there. You can see here it just needs to take. Give it a press down. There you can see it's there. Now, could finish there, but I'm going to add some little Wink of Stella, which I hardly ever use, as you know. And just to give a little bit of added shine to, oops, that's a bit more shine than I wanted. To our berries. So I'm just got too much there, so I'm just moving it around to the other berries. Okay. And that will take a little bit of time to dry, so just put it all out of harm's way. And there you have, you've got a green version and a red version. So which do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed the project. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you wanted more information about the project, the supply list, the measurements, etc., it's all on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!